Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Have you ever been lost and needed to ask for directions in English?
Do you know how to ask for a bank, a train station, or a restaurant in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a long and natural English conversation about asking for directions.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills through real-life conversations.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's begin. Emily, I think we're lost.
Really? What happened?
I was trying to find the city museum.
Did you use a map?
Yes, but my phone battery died.
Oh no.
Now I don't know where we are.
Don't worry, we can ask someone.
I'm a little nervous.
Why?
I'm not confident asking for directions in English.
That's okay. We'll practice together.
Thank you.
Look, there's a woman over there.
Should we ask her?
Yes, let's do it.
Excuse me,
Yes?
could you help me, please?
Of course.
We're trying to find the city museum.
The City Museum?
Yes.
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Okay.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left.
After that, you'll see the museum on your right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See, you did great.
Thanks, but I'm still a little confused.
Let's walk a little farther.
Okay.
I don't see the museum.
Me neither.
Let's ask someone else.
Good idea. Excuse me,
Hello.
can you tell me how to get to the city museum?
Certainly.
Thank you.
You're very close.
Really?
Yes. Walk straight ahead for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Then cross the street.
Cross the street.
The museum will be next to the library.
Next to the library.
You can't miss it.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. That sounds easier.
Yes, I think I understand now.
Let's go.
Emily, can we practice more?
Of course.
How do I ask for a train station?
You can say, "Excuse me, where is the train station?"
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Perfect.
What about a bank?
You can ask, "Could you tell me how to get to the bank?"
Could you tell me how to get to the bank?
Excellent. And a restaurant.
You can say, is there a good restaurant near here? Is there a good restaurant near here?
Very good. What if I don't understand?
You can say, could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please?
Perfect.
Or maybe, could you speak more slowly?
Exactly.
I think I'm getting better.
You definitely are.
Thank you for helping me.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice more next time.
Absolutely. I think we're getting closer.
I hope so.
Look, there's the library.
You're right.
The man said the museum is next to the library.
Let's walk a little farther.
Okay,
Wow, there it is.
we found it.
I'm so happy.
You did a great job asking for directions.
Thank you.
Are you feeling more confident now?
Yes, much more confident.
That's wonderful.
I learned that asking for help isn't scary.
Exactly.
Let's practice a little more before we go inside.
Great idea.
How do I ask for the bus station?
You can say, "Excuse me, where is the bus station?"
Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Perfect.
What if someone says, go straight?
That means continue walking forward.
I see.
Turn left means go to the left side.
Okay,
And turn right means go to the right side.
that's easy.
What does across from mean?
I'm not sure.
It means on the opposite side.
Oh, I understand.
What about next to?
It means beside something.
Excellent. What does at the corner mean?
It means where two streets meet.
That's useful.
Yes, very useful.
Can I say, "Could you repeat that, please?"
Absolutely.
And could you speak more slowly?
Perfect English.
I'm learning a lot today.
You certainly are.
What did you learn today?
I learned many useful English expressions.
Can you remember some?
Go straight,
Excellent.
turn left,
Very good.
turn right,
Perfect.
next to,
Great.
across from,
Wonderful.
at the corner.
Excellent.
Could you repeat that, please?
Perfect.
Could you speak more slowly?
Fantastic.
I feel much more confident asking for directions now.
That's great to hear.
Thank you for helping me.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice another conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for asking and giving directions.
You learned how to ask for places, understand directions, and communicate confidently.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.